This Century 21 Olympian property video is presented by Toke Ettehadieh. Beautiful 3-story 4-bed/3.5 bathroom in a gated community. Living area on the first floor with a great open floor plan. Spacious bedrooms located on the second floor with one of 2 primary bedrooms. Third floor bedroom can be used as a primary or whatever your needs may be. Quick access to 610 Energy Medical Center. Check out the virtual tour and schedule a viewing today. For more information, review the details below.